for registering and tracking convicted sex offenders. The information obtained from the offenders during the registration process includes phone numbers, email addresses, and other social media identifiers. The reverse lookup feature allows the public to provide law enforcement with information that could potentially assist officers in criminal investigations. This feature is just one more tool to help us identify people who may be attempting to communicate with children or persons that they are prohibited from contacting. We also encourage citizens to take advantage of the free email notification. You can visit your local sheriff's office website or the Ohio Attorney General's website to register. You would be automatically alerted if an offender's address is within 1 mile radius of the address that you have entered. Thank you.
Sheriff, thank you very much. Each day in the Ohio Attorney General's office, we work to stop predators from preying on kids. We established some time ago a new unit, Crimes Against Children Unit. And that's what they work on every single day. We investigate child sexual abuse, internet crimes against children, child trafficking, and any other crime involving a child victim. Last year, we were able to help 73 separate local law enforcement agencies with a total of 125 cases. This year, 2014, we are on track to surpass that number. We know firsthand that a predator's first goal is to befriend a victim. In fact, sometimes a predator preys on a mother with children just to be able to get to those children. Kids and adults probably wouldn't let a stranger in the house if one came to the front door, but they might let them into their world via the internet. This is why this new tool we are announcing may be very useful. Let me now introduce Brant Cook. He is our BCI Crimes Against Children Director. Brant?
Thank you, General. There can be no doubt that the internet has radically changed our world, most especially in the ways that we communicate with one another. That said, the way that parents protect their children in this new world of the internet is not terribly different, at least in terms of the general rules that they need to employ. One of the most important rules that parents have employed for as long as they have had children is to know who their friends are, to know who their influences are. The internet has created a new challenge in that arena. And that challenge is you don't always know who is on the other side of that screen name, whether it be on a video game portal, whether it be online through some kind of chat, or on a cell phone with texting or sending images. Now, clearly, the advice remains the same, that young children should not communicate through social networking with anybody that a parent doesn't know in real life. That said, as children age into their teens and they're going out into the world, they're going to begin kind of widening the scope of their social networking. And when that occurs, parents need to have modern-day tools. I'm excited to see Ohio roll out this tool that will allow parents to get a better idea of whom their children are speaking with. This tool will allow parents to insert a phone number, insert a social networking screen name, and determine if a person with whom their child is speaking is in fact a sex offender. That's a powerful tool for parents. That's a powerful tool to protect our children in this state. I want to echo something that the General said as well. This tool could also be used as adults. I think it's critical to remember that sometimes these offenders are quite crafty, and they will work through the parents of young children to attempt to gain access. And so we do encourage adults of young children, if you meet someone and they give you a phone number or you're chatting online with someone, that you may want to insert this information as well before this person would be able to gain access to your children. Thank you.